What is good, guys, and welcome to today's video. We are at Gymkhana here at Scuba Circuit in Japan for a good day of drifting, seat time, and just all around good practice. So what's really actually kind of good about today is there's only 3 of us here. Oka-chan couldn't even make it today. He had some business stuff to sort out, which is the first time he's ever not made it to an Okajuku. So it's Fukasawa-san with the truck in case something breaks down, and then it's me, this guy in the 180, and then this other guy in the silver S15. So I'm really pumped for just non-stop running and seat time. All of these guys are kind of like, I guess, in the same class. So it means we'll be able to just keep running from now, 9 a.m. all the way to 4 p.m. non-stop, except maybe we'll stop for lunch. So lots of seat time. It's still wet from last night's rain, so let's get out there, get some wet practice before it all dries up. All right, so I've tried something different today to get the engine bay mic'd up. I used to try putting mics and stuff in there, but it never worked. So I just put an old GoPro 3 in there and hopefully it sounds good. I don't think I've ever drifted this in the wet. Woo! Slippery slip. It's slick out here, that's for sure. This is gonna be fun. Pretty much just slipping around. La 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 la. Oh man, this feels weird. S15s have no weight to them. Guess we probably should go with a lot of speed, eh? Oh man. You can't go in hard at all. La 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 la. Oh man, there's something really fun about this. Alright, let's link the whole thing now. Drifting in the wet is just so slow and fun though. Sketchy as, but I think we're okay. Not going for that much of a baller entry right off the bat. I just put it into second and floored it so we wouldn't enter the guardrail, and it worked. Woo! Woo! Look at that. We're all good, we're all good. Could have ended so much worse. I'm glad I learned that technique about just putting it in gear and flooring it. Oh, that's funny. We'll wait till strike before I go for those entries. That was sketch. So much fun though. Well, quick look over the car. It's definitely a lot dirtier than it was when I first brought it here, but that's expected. Wet drifting does that, flicks everything on your car. And I was checking to see if there was any damage because we did like brush up against the trees a little bit up in there and kind of go into the dirt. But we're fine, there's no damage on anything on the car. So that's all good. That spin definitely scared me when I was trying to do those mungy entries. Anyways. So we're gonna let this thing cool down a bit, shut it off, take a little bit of a break. I'll go to the bathroom and stuff. This is where I mount the GoPro so you guys get all the dose noises. Hopefully that sounds good. For now, I'm just gonna chill for a bit. It's raining, so I'm gonna cover up my tools a bit better. Hopefully the weather gets a bit better. All right, so it's been a little bit of a while, but we decided to take a break and have a little bit of an early lunch. We're hitting the ramen spot because it's cold and wet today. Perfect for like hot soup ramen. Let's go. I am so ready for this, boys. Look at all that meat. The negi piled in the middle. Everyone else pretty much got the same thing or different variants. I'm gonna chow down. I still argue that this is the best place for ramen, hands down. That was amazing. We just got back to the track and look at this, it's all drying up. I'm so pumped because we get to do some drifting with some grip now. I'm really pumped. I am seriously having so much fun today. I don't think I've had this much fun in a long time at an Aoba-Ku. Not saying that I don't have fun at that, I'm just saying like this level of fun. And I think it's because just how much practice I'm getting today. I had like literally half of the day of wet practice as you saw. Now we're getting some dry practice. Shimada-san surprised us all, Shimada-san, sorry. He surprised us all and randomly rocked up at lunchtime, which then meant I had someone to do some tandem practice with. Sure, they're not the best tandems because I'm still not super good at my S15 yet, but I got to have some fun. Now, one other thing is that I just seriously had the sickest live stream with you guys. So I want to see shout outs to each and every one of you who were in the live stream because we did some sick stuff, which you guys know about, and obviously a video was made from it. But if you're not watching my live streams, you're missing out. We seriously did some cool stuff. So make sure you got notifications turned on for everything. Otherwise, you're missing out when I go live at the track and you get to experience live drifting with me, which is kind of fun. I set you guys up in the passenger seat and stuff like that. Anyways, I'm gonna see if we can practice some nice entries and make a lot of smoke and just have some fun. I'm so glad the rain stopped today. I was a bit worried. When you hit those water puddles out there, but she's gripped up now. Oh man, I'm pumped. A bit of a fright there. He's got a lot more grip than me too. He's way faster than me. I need to let some air out for this. Let's try and do a close one. Oh no, he's already in front of me. Pretty bad on my part. I was pretty much beside him the whole time. We've got about 5 minutes left in the session. If you can see all the water everywhere, that was from the other video. Probably you've already seen that on the channel, I don't know. But let's just go have some fun. I love doing the faint entries, they're so much fun. Not a single handbrake was used in that run. See guys, you don't need a handbrake every time, but Japanese style drifting involves a lot of e-brake. too much fun when the tires that you're supposed to be going home on are smoking like that. Oh man, that is so good. What do you guys think of the RSs on the front and the rear? I mean, just imagine these black though. Kind of don't mind it. There's a lot of smoke coming off that. Jeez. What is that? Oh, that's part of the label that tore off them. Just is it lickable though? I mean, I'm not really gonna do that, but oh yeah, I vape, boys. I vape. So time warping ahead a whole bunch. You can probably tell I look wrecked and tired. That's because it's 2:45 a.m. trying to finish editing this video. Never did an outro, so here we are. Today was absolutely incredible and amazing in my eyes, just because I was able to learn so much and practice so much and actually like try to put it into play. Like for instance, you know, being able to do the entire layout or the course or link the entire track with just clutch and accelerator, that was pretty epic for me. You know, and then the faint entries getting like that better and stuff. There's just so much that happened today, and being able to get some more seat time in the S15, not only just normal seat time, but rain in the morning, and then the moment lunchtime was over, full-blown sun and grip again. It was really good going between the both. It made me realize just how much I love grip compared to none. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed. Go get yourself some SAMMIT merch, link in the description. Currently I'm doing up to 50% off on a whole bunch of merch, so go check it out. And with that, thank you so much for each and every one of you who's still here watching. I really appreciate your support. I love you. Peace out. Jamata.